Saving images in Python at a very high quality. How can I save Python plots at very high quality? That is, when I keep zooming in on the object saved in a PDF file, why isn't there any blurring? Also, what would be the best mode to save it in? PNG, EPS, or some other? I can't do PDF, because there is a hidden number that happens that mess with LaTeX compilation.
If you are using matplotlib and are trying to get good figures in a LaTeX document, save as an EPS. Specifically, try something like this after running the commands to plot the image. I have found that EPS files work best, and the p parameter is what really makes them look good in a document. To specify the orientation of the figure before saving, simply call the following before the plt.savefig call, but after creating the plot, assuming you have plotted using an axis with the name x. Where elevation underscore angle is a number, in degrees, specifying the polar angle, down from vertical z-axis, and the azimuthal underscore angle specifies the azimuthal angle, round the z-axis. I find that it is easiest to determine these values by first plotting the image and then rotating it and watching the current values of the angles appear towards the bottom of the window just below the actual plot. Keep in mind that the x, y, z positions appear by default, but they are replaced with the two angles when you start to click plus drag plus rotate the image.
Just to add my results, also using matplotlib. .eps made all my text bold and removed transparency. SVG gave me high-resolution pictures that actually looked like my graph. I used 1200p because a lot of scientific journals require images in 1200, 600, 300p, depending on what the image is of. Convert to desired P and format in GIMP or Inkscape. Obviously the P doesn't matter since SVG are vector graphics and have infinite resolution.
You can save to a figure that is 1920 by 1080, or 1080p, using. You can also go much higher or lower. The above solutions work well for printing, but these days you want the created image to go into a PNG/JPG or appear in a widescreen format.
Okay, I found Spencer Lyon 2's answer working. However, in case anybody would find himself/herself not knowing what to do with that one line, I had to do it this way.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.